This is Nick from What the Gem, and in this one I'll show you the Dichroscope, the smartest little instrument in gem identification. As light travels through a gem, it reveals secrets. One of them is Pleochroism, which means many colors. It is a phenomenon where an anisotropic gem shows different colors when viewed from different directions under the same light. Don't confuse that with a color change phenomenon, which is the same direction under different light sources. A London dichroscope is genius. It splits the view into two side-by-side windows so that you can compare directions at the same time. For this to work, the gem must be anisotropic. It has to be at least somewhat transparent and it needs to have a body color. Let's see how it works in practice and I'll explain what's happening along the way. Use a flat and even light and hold up your London dichroscope. Pick a colored doubly refractive stone that lets light pass through. Move both the gem and the dichroscope at different angles, up and down, left and right. Watch for color differences between the two windows. If you see two distinct colors side by side, that is Pleochroism. Most often, it's two shades of the same color, but sometimes it can be dramatic, like in this andalusite. If you notice a third color when you rotate to another angle, the gem is trichroic, which is rare but possible. The dichroscope helps you see even faint shifts without having to move the gem around much. Just keep fiddling until you find the strongest contrast and make your observation. Pleochroism can be faint to practically invisible, so keep that in mind too. But when it's strong, it's so satisfying to witness. It's also very useful when you cannot measure refractive index. Pleochroism tells you the stone is birefringent or else doubly refractive, which lets you quickly exclude things like glass, spinel or garnet from ruby. Thanks for watching. For more content and exclusive videos, check out What the Gem on Patreon and TikTok. Links are in the description below. See you around.